friends, welcome to Navneet Spice Magic. Today I shall prepare zucchini fritters which are wonderfully nutritious, low in calories and perfect way to sneak in some veggies. The ingredients used in these fritters are also super healthy and different from rest of the starters or snacks we prepare. Let's enter into the process. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. Share the recipe with your family and friends. Give a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Ingredients required are zucchini. I have taken one big zucchini. Depending on the quantity, how many you want to prepare, you can take. I have grated it. Carrot grated. Onions finely chopped. Coriander chopped. Then we need almond powder. This is flax seeds powder. I have powdered the flax seed. Roasted gram dal powder. Breadcrumbs. Ginger and garlic grated. So I have taken fresh ones. It's up to you. If you have ginger garlic paste, you can use that. You can even use chopped ginger and garlic. I have grated it and kept ready. Pepper powder. Chili flakes. If you don't have chili flakes, you can add chili powder or green chili paste or green chilies chopped also. Salt to taste. Cumin powder. We'll start mixing it. This is zucchini. Some people squeeze out the water from this, but I don't like to squeeze out the water. I just like it to be taken completely. Carrot. The quantity, it is up to you. You can adjust whichever you want. You can take more and less. But if you take zucchini more, that will taste more good and that will be the ideal way to prepare this. Onions finely chopped. And coriander chopped. And cumin powder. Chili flakes. Pepper powder. Salt to taste. Ginger grated. Garlic grated. Almond powder. Flax seeds powder. Roasted gram dal powder. Breadcrumbs. Now let's start mixing this. The water in this will be enough to bind this completely. Now we'll start making fritters. So we have to just take a ball size mixture, pat it into a patty shape. We'll make all like this and then fry them, shallow fry them on the pan. Now we'll heat a pan, add oil onto this to shallow fry. So add little extra than what you add. Once the oil is heated, let's start placing these inside. You need to fry these on both the sides till they become golden brown and crispy. So this is done. It is nicely roasted on both the sides. We can transfer them into a plate. Here are our healthy, super delicious, easy zucchini fritters ready to be savored. These fritters are crispy from outside, moist on the inside with a perfect savory flavor. This is a perfect recipe for kids and elders. It is nutritious and tasty both together. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.